To celebrate the International Women Engineering Day and 100 years of the Women in Engineering Society, we looked into how the Faculty of Engineering at the University of Bath is transforming the future by research and increasing diversity.
Why is diversity important?
2 facts. First, science is a human right. So according to the Article 27 of UDHR, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, everyone has the right to take part in science advancement and in sharing it. So that's fact number 1. Fact number 2 is evidence has shown that diverse teams do better in science and engineering, but we still see that particular groups are excluded from STEM. So the idea is the wider the umbrella, the better is the science, the outcome and the experience for everyone. And this is why I think it's very important to work together and join forces in order to create an inclusive community without any barriers that benefits everyone.
So diversity, I think, is important because we have a huge number of global challenges. So we have challenges associated with climate change, with shelter, with the provision of food, with the provision of clean water, and these challenges occur across the globe, everywhere and anywhere. And the reason we have all of these challenges is because of us as people. And if we don't take all of the ideas from every single person on the globe with all of the diversity of knowledge, background, then we're not going to solve these problems. We're not going to be able to come up with the most creative solution to how we keep the lights on without causing catastrophic climate change, or how we produce clean water and how we get the best shelter in all sorts of diverse environments. So we need to have everybody's point of view, and we need to have everybody's input to come up with some really creative, novel ideas which aren't the same as the ideas that got us into the mess in the first place.
Because innovation comes from things that are different, that have not been done before. And the only way to do that is by having people who are different, they are diverse, they come from different places, with different experiences and with different attributes.
Athena Swan was established in 2005 to encourage and recognize commitment in advancing the careers of women in science, technology, engineering, maths and medicine, in higher education and research through representation, progress and success for all. And we're proud to say that all of the departments in the Faculty of Engineering have earned at least the Bronze Award.
We have a team of 16 members on DSAT, Departmental Self-Assessment Team, across different career stages, from academic as well as technical staff. And we're looking into an action plan that improves representation, gender equality, and basically progression for the benefit of everyone.
Another very important thing that we are working here in our department, and actually is one of the actions of our Athena Swan, is to encourage all the research associates to have a mentor.
One of the most important actions is to communicate very well how good we are doing in our department with diversity. For example, we are way above average. We almost have 50-50% that's between male and female in postgraduate research students.
We need to be working more closely with schools to try and get a wider range of people interested and studying the subjects, particularly in engineering, which will help them come onto courses such as the ones run at the University of Bath.
WESBath, we aim to support current female students within the Faculty of Engineering and Design, and to encourage especially the next generation of female engineers. That's really important, and we support companies that with the gender diversity and inclusion especially, and there are many opportunities for these young women, and there are university opportunities, like funding opportunities, and some industrial funding as well, like the funding provided by Caterpillar. So Caterpillar providing WESBath Public Engagement Award, and this actually to recognize the outstanding and outreach and public engagement by female engineers, students at Bath. And also there is another prize called Ford Prize for Women in STEM, and this will be provided to students in the second year who achieve the meritorious performance in their second year. And as we all know, number of women professional engineers in UK is around 11%. It's very low compared to some of the other European countries. So it means that we need to do a lot more. We certainly need to do a lot more in order to encourage females into engineering. And we organize events such as International Women in Engineering Day. So it means that we can provide the support and also to continue to raise some of these profiles of these female engineers.
We're changing how healthcare is going to be delivered in the future. We're giving healthcare professionals new tools, meaning, for example, the microchips that we develop here, the biosensors that we develop here, and the work that we do in understanding how the human body works and how it can interact with implants, for example.
My area of research is in sustainability and a lot of work in energy and energy systems. So some of the stuff I do is in bioenergy. So we are producing energy and power from biomass and from wastes, and we're looking at how can we do that better, and also how do we say where we should put different sources. So if we have solar electricity, for example, it's clear that that would go to electricity provision, but with biomass you can make it into fuels, you can make it into heating, you can make it into things that produce heating, gas, all of these different vectors. So we're working at how to best use the resources to enable a better resource justice into the future so that everybody has access to different resources with the minimum impact. And that's what we hope to do within our research area.
What I'm doing, I'm working on new materials for energy harvesting and sensing applications, and in my group and with my team we design all the way from molecular level to devices for basically using the energy from the environment to create electricity to feed into low power devices, so we don't need batteries in future.
Hi, my name is Hadiza Ota and I'm from Chemical Engineering Department. So I am transforming the future by working on a palm oil substitute. What we actually do is look at microbial substitute, microbial oils from yeast known as Methylcobia posterima, and this has lipids that are similar to that of palm oil. So it has the same texture, viscosity, and all the characteristics of palm oil, because the rainforest is really at risk and we are out here for sustainability.
Hi, I'm Naomi and I'm transforming the future by making fake poop to allow easy testing of drying technologies which are used to treat human waste where sewerage and wastewater treatment aren't available or suitable.
Hi, my name is Sherif Osner and I'm transforming the future by developing the technologies that improve biomedical diagnosis, and I'm doing this by looking into rapid detection technologies of blood biomarkers that can tell us about the early stages of cancer disease.
Hi, I'm Debbie. I'm transforming the future by developing new materials for safety footwear so that safety footwear can be more comfortable and aesthetic, and especially for women, because we really struggle to get comfortable safety footwear.
Hi, my name is Petra. I'm transferring the future by creating a new biomaterial which can be seen in a standard X-ray. So surgeon and clinician are able to follow up the implant easier and more efficient.
Hi, I'm Parimala and I'm transforming the future by developing technologies to make chemicals in a more sustainable manner.
Hi, I'm Fiona. I'm transforming the future by researching flood resilience of construction materials.
I'm Zahratu Mohammed Babika from University of Bath, from the Department of Civil Engineering and Design. I'm transforming the future through groundwater sustainable development. I'm trying to come up with a model on groundwater contamination from hydrocarbon sources in a semi-arid region of northern Nigeria.
I'm Liz. and I'm transforming the future by making GPS more reliable and helping stop serious organised crime.
Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope that you are inspired to transform the future. Please feel free to use the hashtags below and share on social media tagging us WESBath. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the event.